Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels videos for free. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and try to find a video that we want to download, okay? Let's say we want to download this video over here. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner, okay? Then I want you to click on the link button that is on the top center. When we copy the link on our clipboard, now I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this particular app over here. It's called Publer.io. When you click on Publer, all you gotta do is to come on the link section, paste the link that we just copied, and click download. Essentially, this app will let you to download the video without watermark. They don't ask you for registration and they say there is no ads. If I scroll down, well, I don't know. Also, they said that they can actually help you to download Instagram photos, Instagram videos, Instagram stories, and you can download TikTok videos as well. Downside, I think it's a little slow processing, but there you have it. The video is already here. You can either download it or you can simply post it by clicking post. Okay, this is how you can download Instagram videos, pictures, and reels for free without watermark. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.